I've written you a book. It's called Memorise Equations for GCSE Physics. The link to download it is in the description. I've written you a book, and this is one you're not going to want to miss if you're in GCSE Physics. I know, because a lot of my students are telling me that they're quite stressed out about memorising the equations. And well, I've seen a lot of them making flashcards, and I thought I would make them a resource which is a bit better than flashcards. It's a book that's mainly designed to go on your phone, although there is also a paperback version coming out which can go into your pocket. It's a book with all of the equations that you need to memorise, and also the ones that you need to know how to use. On each page I've given you the equation in algebra, and then the definitions of the terms, and then some information about how to use that equation and how to expect to use that, when to recognise you're going to use that equation. Then I've also done a set of 3 questions, because I think that it's best to memorise these equations by using them. Not only that, if you're memorising them by using them, then you're going to learn how to use them correctly as well. So there are 3 questions following each equation. One should be very simple, and it's just the way the equation is given to you. No need to convert units or anything like that. Second question is a rearrangement, but again, no need to convert the units. And then the third question is another rearranging, so a different rearranging, and you need to do a unit conversion in there as well. So it's going to practice not only memorising the equation, applying the equation, rearranging, and knowing which units to convert to all of the time. And then for the harder equations, the ones that you get given, I've given them in algebra as well, and I've given the same set of questions. And then at the end, as a kind of bonus, I've given 10 really quite challenging questions, really challenging calculation questions, because you have to actually do 2 steps. You have to calculate one thing and then use that answer to calculate another. So it's really excellent practice, and you can go ahead and download it now. You can download it and you set the price, and if you want to, please take this book for free. It's out now. It's kind of the preview version, but it's going to stay there on Smashwords, and I'll put the link to it in the description. I've suggested a price of $1.99, I think it's in dollars, but I've suggested a price of $1.99. If you want to go with that, then do, if you can afford that. If you can't, if you just want it for free because you haven't got a credit card or anything like that, then please just set it to 0 and take it for free. But if you do take it for free, then I would like a favour, if that's all right. I would like you to maybe leave a review, or leave a comment on this video, or a comment on my channel, or maybe recommend it to someone else as well. I'd like you just to help me spread the word a little bit about it. Also, as I said, this is a bit like a preview version before I publish a Kindle book, which is coming, and the paperback, and I want to make sure it's absolutely perfect, but by the time I do the paperbacks I can't change that then. So if there are any mistakes that I made, because everybody makes mistakes, even geniuses like me and Gary, because everybody makes mistakes, so if you notice there's an error in one of the calculations, can you tell me? Can you just comment down below, please? The idea of this ebook is that it's on your smartphone, and you can just flip through using those little bits of time to make sure that you memorize that, and you can look at it time and time again and just do those questions nice and easily in your head mainly, although you can use a calculator if you want. You can just do those questions mainly in your head, because I've kept the numbers nice and simple, just to go through and make sure you memorize those equations. The more you use it, the more you go over it, the more they're going to seep into your longer term memory. It's for all exam boards. It's for AQA, Edexcel, OCR A and B, and Eduqas. Those are the 5 main exam boards in the UK at the minute, and I've put a little grid in the start which tells you which ones are not in which board. Most of them though apply for all of them, and all of them are useful for you to know, especially if you're interested in going on to A-level physics. I've written you a book. It's called Memorise Equations for GCSE Physics. It's for GCSE Physics and GCSE Combined Science as well, so don't feel like this isn't for you if you're not doing triple physics. There's a link down below to the Smashwords website, which is currently the place where you can get it. If you're watching this video a few weeks old, then it's probably already on Amazon Kindle, and if you're watching it a few weeks after that, you can actually buy this as a paperback. It's going to cost about $3.50. The Kindle edition won't be free, but if you don't want to pay for it, then you need to go to Smashwords and you can download it for free. I suggest the best one to download for you for use on your phone would be the PDF, because then you can just scroll through different pages there. I've suggested a price of £1.99, but please take it for free if you want it for free. Just ask yourself, well, all right, can I afford this? should I just take it for free? If you take it for free, then you're absolutely welcome to it, but please maybe leave a review or suggest it to someone else, or comment below to tell me whether you liked it or not. That's just something nice to do. A little bit about money. I do actually completely believe that education should be free, and my videos will always be free, but I do think that I've spent a lot of time on this book, so I do think that I deserve some kind of monetary benefit from that. It's just some reward, something to keep me really making these videos and making resources for you. If you like it, make sure you do comment below, make sure you share it out with people, and please, if you've got an idea, you've got something else you want resources on, then ask. I can't promise to make it, but I will try my best to make the resources that matter for you. This is Guerrilla Physics. We're all about you understanding physics more so that you enjoy physics more, get more confident and do better in your exams. Thanks for watching.